Hey, everybody come sing with me. Let's all do our ABCs. A, B, C, D. A is for alligator. A is for alligator.
Chomp, chomp.
A is for alligator. B is for bumblebee. B is for bumblebee.
Buzz, buzz.
B is for bumblebee. C is for cow. C is for cow.
Moo.
C is for cow. D is for duck. D is for duck. Quack, quack. D is for duck. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Do your ABCs day and night. E, F, G, H. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Toot, toot. E is for elephant. F is for frog. F is for frog.
Ribbit, ribbit.
F is for frog. G is for goose. G is for goose.
Honk, honk.
G is for goose. H is for hippo. H is for hippo.
Grunt, grunt.
H is for hippo. I'm having fun singing with you. Let's all learn the alphabet zoo. I, J, K, L. I is for insect. I is for insect. Crick, crick. I is for insect. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish.
Squish, squish.
J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. K is for koala.
Raw, raw.
K is for koala. L is for llama. L is for llama.
Hum, hum.
L is for llama. Now it's time to sing along. Let's all sing the ABC song. M, N, O, P. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. N is for newt. N is for newt. Chirp, chirp. N is for newt. O is for otter. O is for otter. Squeak, squeak. O is for otter. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Squawk, squawk. P is for parrot. Can you do the letter sounds and all of the animal sounds? Q, R, S, T. Q is for quokka. Q is for quokka. Quack, quack. Q is for quokka. Quack, quack. R is for rhinoceros. R is for rhinoceros.
Snort, snort.
R is for rhinoceros. S is for sheep. S is for sheep.
Ba.
S is for sheep. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. Hey, everybody come sing with me. Let's all do our ABCs. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U is for urchin. U is for urchin.
Blub, 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 blub.
U is for urchin. V is for viper. V is for viper.
Hiss, hiss.
V is for viper. W is for whale. W is for whale. W is for whale. X is for ox. X is for ox.
Murr.
X is Y is for yellow bird.
Yeah, yeah.
Y is for yellow bird.
Tweet, tweet.